Configuring controller drift can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring your controller responds accurately. Follow these steps to adjust your CS2 controller settings. Step 1. Access controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in your game. Look for the controller or input settings section where you can adjust various controller configurations. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Find the dead zone settings for your controller. Increase or decrease the dead zone values to reduce drift. A lower dead zone can help with more precise movements, while a higher dead zone can prevent unintended inputs. Step 3. Test your configuration. After adjusting the dead zone, test your controller in a practice mode or game. Move your character around to see if the drift has been minimized. Make further adjustments if necessary. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Updating the firmware can improve performance and fix issues related to drift. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to complete the update. Step 5. Regular maintenance. Keep your controller clean and free from dust and debris. Regularly check for any physical damage that might contribute to drift. Proper maintenance can prolong the life of your controller and maintain its performance. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your controller to minimize drift and enhance your gaming experience. Happy gaming!